Hi all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today I've got S for Sugar, stage 123. Now I'm not exactly going off what it says in the instructions, simply because I've not put the wings on yet. But in this issue, I will be putting the wings on. I'll be putting them one at a time. It doesn't tell you exactly how to put them on in the instructions, it just shows you with them both on and with them propped up. But because it's so big, I'll be putting one on and then doing the ribbon on it with the stringers. And then I'll put the other one on. It's going to be fun, I tell you. I have looked at it so many times. This is one of the wings. This is the first wing I'll be putting on. There we go, you can see it's painted there, or dark earth. And underneath, there we go. They're supposed to be lighting, but they're not. They're just false lighting. And there is the canopy, well, the nacelle, I should say, underneath. I've just touched it up around the nacelle. But it's looking perfectly good. So that's it. This is the first wing that I'll be putting in place, and then once I've done the stringers, I can then put the dark green on it. In this issue as well, I think I've already done the pilot. Yeah, we've already done the pilot, haven't we? We did that previously. So that is supposed to be in issue 123 as well. There's the tail wings as well. There we go. Tail wings, they need painting up as well as. I'm not sure if I'm going to put that in this issue, to be honest, because I don't actually fit them until later on anyway. But it's mainly about the wings in this. So I've got the instructions here. We're supposed to do the pilot, but that's already done, like I said. There is also, there we go. These are the air intake covers at the front, the leading edge air intake covers. This one's got magnets on it. As you can see, I've painted it black underneath. I just need to do the dark earth on top of them, so I can get them done and get them popped into place. Just have a look, see what else there is. Yeah, there is the tail fins that I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to paint the whole of the aircraft. There we go, something like that. Yeah, it doesn't have to be exact, but near enough. And in this issue, they actually use aluminium foil and white tack, so I'll be looking at doing it that way, because sometimes when I put tape on it, even though I make it low tack, and I bought low tack as well, I take as much tackiness off as possible and then put it on. It bleeds a little bit and I end up touching it up, so maybe the white tack will be even better. But there we go. So this one will have the wings on, so as well as, like I say, the canopy. There's the second bomb bay door as well, that'll be in the video. I'll put the bombs into place as well, so you'll see that. And also we've got the landing gear doors to fit as well. I'll be doing the internal ones first, and I'll do the external ones. I say external ones, the furthest away from the pilot, basically. Got them here somewhere. There we go. It's just that, basically. It's plastic, but it just super glues into place. It has been painted, so it's come up really nice and bonny. But they need putting in place. The other two I've already done, but you'll see that in the video. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it. I have put some music on. I'm not sure how long this is going to take, so I hope you do enjoy it. Stay tuned, and I'll see you soon. Well, there we go, folks. That is stage 123. Here she is, as you can see. I've got the top sections for here. They have been painted brown at the moment, dark brown. These two have got magnets attached to them. I will have to make adjustments to them because I've got to put a strip along here where I've joined the wing, the outboard wing with the inner part of the wing. So that, yeah, there's 2 more stages left. I've just got the ailerons, the tail section to put in place, the rear gun turret. That'll be brilliant. I'm hoping to put this little chap inside as well. He's only little. He's no legs. He has got legs, but he was for the die-cast version. But yeah, I couldn't use him for that. Well, there's his legs. So I'm going to try and use him in the rear turret. I'm not sure if he'll go yet because I've not built it. But if he doesn't, I'll put him in the medical bay. A lot of this is going to be removable. The cockpit comes off, the cockpit canopy comes off, the panel underneath, there you go. There we go, there's the aerial on it. That's still to set yet, the Astrodome. This piece comes off as well, just to expose all that. I have got 1 or 2 detail parts to fit as well as, but I'll do them off camera, of course. Next time you see it, the camouflage will be on here. It's looking beautiful over there. There's a bit of touch up that needs doing as well, here and there. Just 1 or 2 little things that need doing, but the main thing is the tail section. Tail fins, rudders, yeah, they do have rudders on, elevators on. Yeah, all that needs doing. I need to paint them up. That's one of the elevators there, yeah. So the brown just needs a camouflage on it. What else is there? I think that's mostly it, really. Obviously you've seen this piece before. This is the mid-gun turret, which we won't be getting on the Hachette version, which is not a problem. Yeah, so here we go, there we go. So that is one of the tail fins. No, sorry, here we go, there we go. So we have oh, that's the wrong one now. There we go, there we go. So yeah, that will go in there. It's a nice tight bit, so it's going to look brilliant. I don't like using too much putty because it's a pest, it really is. Especially if there's a bit of a cavity where you're pouring it, it drops in and gets everywhere else that you don't want it to go. So we've got that to put on, get it painted up as well, and we need the right section for this, don't we? There we go. We get this in place as well. I did get these 2 mixed up, the elevators, so I don't repaint them. That's just typical. If I can get that one on. That is tight, that. That's good. That's a nice tight bit, that. There we go. So yeah, we'll get that on the back end and all the rear section. Well, that'll look superb when it's done. Just need the camouflage on it. And obviously the decals. The decals have got to go on. I did buy some extra decals. Here we go. There we are. They're just, where did I get them from? Kits World. That's it, yeah. They're for any Lancaster, basically. They're not specific. But they've got everything that you need. Just the general decals. That's from Kits World as well. It just tells you where they go on the back, obviously. That's the shell for it now. Up there. That's where it's going to stay all the time. Here, because of the depth of it, it comes out too far. And my chair catches it, or will catch it. Yeah, so I'll probably bring the Ghostbusters car out and put that there. And the other Lancaster bomb we're doing, the die-cast version, that will go there. It'd be interesting to measure up what the difference is between the 2. Well, anyway, there we go. So anyway, that's stage 123. Rather than keep rambling on and on and on. Yeah, I've still got a fair bit of work to do, but at least the wings look absolutely superb. They're brilliant. I kept measuring them and measuring them. I kept measuring all the engines, getting it all right. I actually put it on a stand. There we go. There we go. That's how I balanced it out. So I put the aircraft onto here and here because obviously they're the exact same measurement, and put it on here, which is dead level. So all you need is a level surface, and then it's just a matter of getting the angle right, that dihedral, and it works out for me on this 7 degrees. So that should be bob on. But what I did find as well, the landing gear, because it's on spring, well, because they're springy, yeah, one was down more than the other. That's why I put it on the stand, just to get it dead level. And then, you know, it won't look wobbly, or it won't look offset, basically. But anyway, there we go, that is it. Yeah, so, yeah, I don't know when I'll get the next one on. Probably be in another month's time, but hopefully I'll have this done for Christmas. Anyway, there we go. So if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for another build. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.